Good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I hope you're in a good condition while watching this video. My name is Leonie Vixeronda, 29 years old, married with 5 kids, 3 boys and 2 girls. They are 12, 11, 8, 6, and 2 years old. I live in Antipolo, Rizal, Philippines. I'm a first-year college undergrad, and I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the eldest of the family. My hobbies are singing, cooking, gardening, and making DIYs also. I am honest, trustworthy, patient, responsible, hardworking, friendly, and a cheerful person. I have experience working in Hong Kong as domestic helper from 2020 to 2022. I serve a family of 5, including the 2 children. They are 4 years old and 8 years old. My duties are cleaning the house inside and outside, taking care of plants, doing laundry and ironing, washing dishes, car washing, grocery shopping, and running errands for my employers. Taking care of kids, I also help bring the children to school and occasionally tutor them and playing with them, included assisting my employer with cooking. Additionally, I took care of 6 dogs from my previous employer, 3 small dogs, 1 medium size, and 2 large dogs. My relationship and my previous employer were good. I treated them as my family, especially the kids, and they treated me as the one of the members of the family. Hello, Mom, Sir. I hope you choose me to work in your family as a helper. I promise to do my best and my duties and responsibilities. I will love and take good care of your kids if you have, and I will respect and treat your family as my own family. I hope I will finish my contract and willing to renew as long as you want me. Thank you.